Hello, friends, family, and America. What up? Good morning to you all. I wanted to make a quick comment about the lemonade stand, everyone. Paragon, thanks for sending that to me. Oh, man, lemonade stand. Obviously, these guys, gals and guys were trying to prove a point, and they definitely were trying to get arrested because everyone should know that you need a permit to do any type of anything around Washington, unless you're Chinese. Then they'll, you know, lace the streets with red and gold and bow down and play a derogatory song in Chinese, so, to mock you in your own country. That's besides the point. This is kind of like another Kokesh type demonstration, but the point is that it's, lemonade, dog. It's just lemonade. So wasted tax dollars and wasted money by the guys who actually went and did their thing and got arrested. It is awful silly, but that's the system that we live in. It's not excusable, but it should be a wake-up call, man. Don't try to get arrested, and if you do, hey, I support them 100%. But yeah, you gotta have a permit. I mean, 10 cents lemonade, dude. It's kind of funny, but hey, that's what it is. So, hey, everybody, have a cool glass of lemonade on Ben Bernanke, Obama, previous administrations, and everybody, because cool lemonade. I'll leave that alone. I'm gonna leave that one alone. But back in the day, they gave the slaves lemons because they wanted them to drink lemons. And we turned it into lemonade. So isn't it fitting? Anyway, Afro Prepper, catch everybody on the flip side. Have a great day.